Hi, I am Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over ClickUp User Guide. So they're inside of ClickUp. If you are inside of your account, if you click the question mark down here, this is where you can access the resource center. You can you can watch videos, sign up for webinars, get a demo, see templates. There's a community board. You can also get support help, so submit for a bug. You can request a feature like on their changelog and then connect with ClickUp this way. If you click on the docs and FAQs, that will bring you over here into their database of all of the different help documents and you can go through these. The other thing is, and we'll actually put the links to these in the in the show notes, but there is a getting started guide, and we'll include the link to that. And this is just the essentials, and this walks you through a lot of what I've been walking through in my videos. If you prefer to see it this way, you can find that there. So that is just a very quick review of the ClickUp User Guide, and they have lots of information there. Like I said, you can click to watch videos, sign up for webinars, see the templates and demo. All right, so again, I'm Amalie, and I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to catch our future videos as we go into more advanced uses of ClickUp. If you are looking for one-on-one support, there is a link in the comments to book a free call so we can sit down and talk to see if there's a way for us to support you in using ClickUp more effectively inside of your business. And thank you so much for watching.